Hi, today we're doing Khan Academy's Array Problem Set 2, number 2. Problem says, given a list of n minus 1 integers in the range of 1 to n, you'll be given no duplicates in the list, and there's one integer missing from the list. Alright, so our example gives us a list of integers from 1 to 8. The missing integer is 5. Okay, so the first thing I think of when I see this is, okay, what I want to do is I want to sum up all of these values into one sum. And then I want to add up what the actual sum would be for a range from 1 to 8. Because I know that when I sum this up, it's not going to be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. It'll be missing one of those integers. So if I loop from 1 to 8, summing them up in a loop, maybe I can find the real sum between 1 and 8, and then take the difference of that sum from this actual summation of all the integers in the given array. So that would give me my difference, what I'm looking for, which is 5. So what am I going to do? I'm going to create a potential sum variable, which will store what the potential sum would be from 1 to 8. And we're going to set it equal to 0 first. We're going to create another variable called index, and we'll set that equal to 1 because we're told that the range is from 1 to n, so we'll make our index start at 1. So the next step we want to do is sum up this given array. So we're going to say actual sum. What is actually inside of this given array? So we set that to the given array reduced. We're going to say A and B. And all we're going to do is say A plus B. And that will give us our sum from 1 to 8 inside of this given list. Alright, the next step is we want to say while the given index is less than or equal to the last element. So we want to sum up everything from 1 to 8, so we're going to do just that. Let's say while index is less than or equal to the last element in the array, array length minus 1. And we're going to make sure to increment the index plus plus by 1. And we're going to add to the potential sum variable. We're going to say potential sum plus equals the index. So we'll start at 1, then go to 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So eventually we have the potential sum that it would have been if 5 was inside of that array. And then all we're going to do is we're going to return the difference of the potential and the actual sum. So return potential sum minus the actual. And that would give us 5. This time complexity, let me use a darker color. Time, this is O(n), and the space is O1. It's O(n) because we're just looping through the array once, and at most we're just looping through the longest nth length, which would be this potential sum here, and we're just adding it to a variable, an integer. So it's in constant space, since we're not allocating like an object or an array in memory. Instead, we're just having this this integer. So that's why the space is O1. And that's it for this problem. Thank you so much.